Today I'm going to be showing you how to create your lesson plan within an engaging lesson plan within minutes. I'm going to be incorporating two AI tools, Peasy AI and ChatGPT. First and foremost, I will open my Chrome, and I'm going to be putting up a new document as usual. Having a new document here as usual. I will go on Google and search for Peasy AI, EASY PEA .ai. I'm going to click on it. Ask me to get started for free. I'm going to log in with my Google account. You can also log in with your own Google account. Generate a lesson plan. Lesson plan generator. Good. I have the lesson plan generator right in front of me here. In this case, I'm just going to use biology as a subject for my case study here to generate the lesson plan that I want to generate. So my subject, I'm going to put biology. The grade, I'm going to consider SS2, that's 11th grade. And the topic I'm going to be looking at, let's look at nervous system. If you click on here, you can leave this one optional. The AI will generate the most suitable one that is suitable for that aligns with the topic you are trying to create lesson plan for. Here is where I want to go. I'm going to generate. Before I generate, I put in my subject, the class, and the topic I want the lesson plan to be generated for. Then I put that in. Good. Here it is, generated output. We have subject biology, grade level, 11th grade, topic nervous system, duration 2 class period, that is 60 minutes, making 9 minutes. In your own class, in your own school, maybe 40 minutes. You should know how to adjust that when you get it. Now I have lesson objectives already planned, decided. That is at the end of this lesson. By the end of this lesson, the student will be able to analyze the structure and function of the central and peripheral nervous system. Compare and contrast the roles of neurons and the glial cells in the nervous system. Illustrate the process of synaptic transmission. Evaluate the impact of various factors such as drugs and injuries on the functioning of the nervous system. All this can be tweaked and adjusted as need be. You can remove the subjective as need be, but the lesson plan has been generated already. The materials needed in this class will be suggested here. You can really easily remove your own, and the one that you feel like you're not using, you can remove it and retain those ones that you are using. Well, that's it. The lesson plan is here. The introduction to the lesson, the introduction to the topic, the direct instruction, the group activity that's going to be used. This is to show you that this is how an engaging class is generated. So the day one is going to be just one period or 2 periods, depending on how long it takes you to cover what you plan and the way your own system operates. Day 2, we look at synaptic transmission and impact factors review. Then we go to true direct instruction, and the lesson plan is right here. But for me, what I'm going to quickly do is I'm going to copy this lesson plan. I'm going to put it here. Now this lesson plan is here for me. However, my own lesson plan framework is usually something like this, and I need the AI to help me put my own the lesson plan and adapt it to this format so that at least it will be useful for me. And that's what we are going to do now. Examine the lesson plan below. I will ask questions afterwards, and then I will come into this document and highlight everything. Highlight and copy everything and paste it in here for ChatGPT to go through. Well, looks like GPT is ready. You got it. I've reviewed the lesson plan. Let me know what specific questions you have, or if you like feedback, analysis, or suggestions for improvement. However, what I need is for GPT to recreate or use the information in that lesson plan and put it in my framework. I have the table set out as it is here. I have the table set out here. I have the table set out. I have my teacher's name, time, month, week, day, subject, class, sex. This is one of the lesson plans for my previous classes that I already have here. I really don't need to empty the table for ChatGPT to know what it wants to do. I've already filled it. It knows how it has been filled. It knows the material I'm using. Its job now is to fill in the gaps with the new lesson plan I have generated with Easy Peasy. Let's do that. So I go to ChatGPT and prompt it like this. Reproduce lesson plan previously provided using the table below. Then I'm going to paste it there and let GPT do its work. Now you can see that it has reproduced the lesson plan with the structure, with the framework that I provided, and it has replaced it with the synchronizing the information that I have. It has replaced it with the topic. It has replaced it with the subtopic. It has replaced it with where I put instructional here, it has put that. Where I put teaching strategy, it has filled it in. Where I put student in previous knowledge, it has already filled it in. Students are familiar with this and this general structure of the human body, basic cell functions, the nucleus, the cell membrane. The learning objectives, it has already filled it in. The introduction, it has filled it in. Same thing with everything else. Now, so I'm just going to remove what is here and put in what GPT has provided. Here it is. I have my lesson plan all done. If I want to, if I want it on a table, then I can go ahead and provide each part of the lesson plan to ChatGPT for ChatGPT to put on the table for me. The lesson plan is ready now. What it means is fulfilling and editing of the plan. If you have further questions, also it's not only easy peasy. Also, you can also use ChatGPT to generate the whole process. I think in another video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to generate the ideas and finish the whole process in one go, using one prompt to create your lesson plan, because that's very straightforward. But using easy peasy, if you're on premium, actually goes a long way. It helps you to be able to also come up with new strategies that you don't even know, or you probably are not aware of, or perhaps you are aware of but have forgotten, that can also be used to make your lesson more engaging. So that's the reason why easy peasy is actually a very good idea, because well, it was created for that. And ChatGPT is actually an amazing idea because it's a general LLM. If you like our videos and you would like to be informed if more of our videos come out in the future, do have to subscribe to this channel and like and click the notification button, so that the next time we release our videos, you will be notified. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.